Tell me when you're ready.
Okay.
Welcome to my Sandy Family Chiropractic Clinic. We're here to talk about my favorite subject for the year, arthritis. And as you know, in chiropractic, we treat arthritis pretty much every day. You know, we're talking about joint degenerative disease, spinal degenerative disease, osteoarthritis, arthritis. If you're just stiff and sore in the morning getting out of bed, you loosen up after walking around, and then you sit down and eat lunch later, you stiffen up again. You have some arthritis going on. So we're going to talk about some of the tools of loosening you up. These tools are to decrease. These tools are for desensitizing your nerve. We want to desensitize your nerve so that your spine moves better, so that those muscles loosen up and you move better. So if we're going to do the low back, this is our foam roller. You just take the foam roller, put it in your back, you just bend your knees up and down. My joke with my patients is I want you to do that a few thousand times. I'm not going to do this for a few thousand times because of time, but then we can switch over to the double green lacrosse balls. Never watched a full lacrosse game in my life, but people tell me those are lacrosse balls, so we'll believe them. Anyway, these get right next to the spine. That feels really good, gets in those muscles. I can feel my nerves desensitizing even as we speak. All right. Next tool is our J-cane. This works well between the shoulder blades. I'm going to push forward, I draw it in a little bit, and I do a range of motion. It's called a pin and stretch technique. I'm pinning down that muscle and getting it to release away, desensitizing that nerve again. And the beautiful thing is I can switch from side to side on that. I would do that 3, 4, 5 times. Then I can go back up in the top of my neck. I push up into that. I roll into that, just like that. All right, that's the J-cane. What else do we have? We've got the body ball. Some people call it a yoga ball. Some people call it an exercise ball. I'll give you my favorite stretch on this, and we'll talk more about stretching as time goes on. But what I do, I take my seat off the ball and I lean over backwards. We're bent forward all day long. So if you think about this, we're bent forward all day long. Now we're going to bend back the other way. I think everybody should have one of these in their houses, in their homes. Very important to have one of these in your homes. Opens up the shoulders, opens up the back. You know, if you spend any amount of time watching TV, they're good for TV. You don't sit still on these things. You know, in a chair, people sit still. And so this is very good for that type of thing. Usually they run $18 to $22. I get mine off Amazon. You get them at Walmart. You get them at Target. You get them all over the place. But they're very inexpensive. Very necessary to have. I love it for that's my favorite stretch right there. So everybody should have a body ball to do that one and only stretch. It's worth $18 to $22 just to lay on it for 1.5 to 2 minutes twice a day. All right, so I'm Paul Bergley, your I'm Paul Bergley, your arthritic pain relief doctor, coming to you from my Sandy Family Chiropractic Clinic.